Corporate startup is a need for an organization. Right now, whoever wants to sustain or grow in their market, they need to balance their current business as well as they need to build a new business. But the problem is when we talk about building a new business, we take it as a project. We see that somebody will either develop a new product, or we will go to a new market, or we will do some changes in our existing business and will achieve it. But the problem is it's not the game of output. It's not a project. It's a program, because when you talk about program, you say that the success of a program is benefits. But what I find out is that now companies are talking about digital transformation, change management, transformation, business excellence, operational excellence. But unfortunately, the methodology they are using to do that thing is project management, or generally assigning somebody to do it. But until unless you are using the proper right methodology for it, you will not be able to achieve the desired results. That's why we see that the success of these initiatives are very low. So if you do these initiatives from the methodology, mindset and framework of program management, it will not only help you to understand the context, but also give you authority with responsibility and accountability that you will be responsible for the benefit. You will be responsible for achieving the business case results, not the project charter results. So that is why I believe that if you want to go for any initiatives which are going to build the future of organization, and you should understand it from the perspective of corporate startup, because you are building a new business for an organization, number one, and number two, you should do it as a program. If you want to understand how this whole scenario of corporate startup and program management works, you should join our course. Thank you.